Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. Today we're diving into an essential topic for all car owners: car lock maintenance tips. Regular maintenance of your car locks is crucial to ensure they function smoothly and keep your vehicle secure. Let's get started. To start off with, even the best lock can't really do its job if it is attached to a door with issues. Thus, you should always make sure that your door is properly installed, hasn't come off the hinges, and isn't sagging or experiencing any other problems. These types of issues can put pressure on the lock and cause it to stop functioning altogether, or at least to stop functioning properly. In addition to making sure that your door is functioning correctly, you should also take the time to lubricate your locks on a regular basis. Typically, a water-based lubricant is your best bet. When you keep your locks lubricated, all the pins and pieces can move as they should. Furthermore, it will keep parts of the lock from getting stuck or from being affected negatively by temperature changes. A lot of people have the habit of forcefully pulling their keys from their locks. Others will actually close their doors by pulling on the key while it's still in the lock. Don't do either of these things. When you roughly pull a key, it puts a lot of pressure on your lock. Eventually, this can cause the lock to fail. So practice gently removing your key from the lock with a slight wiggle, never a pull. All your locks really need is water on a soft cloth to come clean. If you insist on using some kind of soap, make sure it's a very mild detergent. Other products, especially those that are petroleum-based, can actually be overly abrasive and end up causing damage to the lock over time. Finally, keep in mind that a damaged key can actually do damage to your lock. Jagged edges and worn parts don't interact properly with your lock and can cause issues over time. And there you have it, some simple yet effective car lock maintenance tips to keep your vehicle secure and your locks functioning smoothly. If you need any help with your car locks, don't hesitate to contact us at Sure Lock and Key. You can find a lot of interesting information about the security of your car on our Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more security tips and updates. Stay safe on the road.